Somaliland's history is a tale of resilience and identity. Located in the Horn of Africa, it was once part of British Somaliland, a protectorate established in the late 19th century. In 1960, Somaliland gained independence and briefly united with Italian Somaliland to form the Somali Republic. However, this union was marked by neglect and marginalization of the North, leading to rising tensions. By the late 1980s, civil unrest erupted, culminating in a devastating civil war. In 1991, Somaliland declared independence from Somalia, seeking self-governance and stability. Since then, Somaliland has made remarkable progress. It established a democratic government, holding regular elections and maintaining peace. The region's economy thrives on livestock, agriculture, and trade, particularly through the port of Berbera. Culturally rich, Somaliland celebrates its heritage through music, art, and festivals. Despite lacking international recognition, the spirit of its people remains strong, as they continue to build a future rooted in their unique history and identity.